coffee with a friend and then check out some exhibitions. Let's go! I'm gonna take you on a tiny tour of the few artworks I liked. We start with a very poetic design installation inspired by the fields of rice. Inside are human detection sensors, which causes the stems to move as a person passes by. Next is a huge installation made of 10,000 stick-shaped balloons, the same type which are used by sports spectators. When bumped into each other, they recreate the clapping sound. The work is very colorful and fills up an interesting space. However, I cannot help but wonder, will they reuse the balloons for another exhibition or will they be discarded? This impressive sculpture is made of stacked wheelchairs interlaced with LED lights and metal structures. The artist expresses his own disability through his art. By staging wheelchairs, he transforms the way we see and look at the object, its value, and gives it a context. He also did guided tours of the event, where visitors would pull wheelchairs, giving them an opportunity to experience what the perspective from a wheelchair is like. Weiner is a worldly famous conceptual artist. His work is in the collection of many museums. I really encourage you to discover more about him, as it would be very difficult to give you insight about his work in just a few seconds. Here, the artist imagines the beginning of the universe through this installation, the nothingness which comes just before the everything. It was a little hard to translate this in the video, but as you walk around the piece, you see distorted shapes of your surroundings in the mirror, giving another worldly impression. This minimalist installation calls for the imagination. The black rope you see connected to the metal boxes is recreating the movements of the water surface. Are we drawn to it in the same way we are with bodies of water found in nature? All of the information about the artworks come from the Roppongi Art Night website, which is linked below. Any other addition is through my own interpretation of the works. You will find the list of the artworks in the description box as well. I hope you enjoyed this tiny tour of the artworks. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Hi guys! This is also my first time trying to vlog outside and filming myself. I'm in a park. It's quite an exercise, so hopefully I will get more comfortable doing this. I went to the event with the French ladies I told you about, the networking event. It was very interesting and it was very inspiring to see so many strong, independent women having very amazing careers and taking the time to give back to other women and to support them and inspire them with their experience. They have a mentor program and an entrepreneur group. I applied because I really need their knowledge, experience, feedback. It's definitely something that will be very useful for me. I'm very grateful to them to do that as well. This September is very exciting. I feel like I'm meeting
very interesting people who have many interesting ideas. I'm very motivated for this year. Like, I'm gonna do many things that I want to do, and I'm gonna like meet more interesting people, because this energy is gonna bring more interesting people in my life, and hopefully I'm gonna be interesting, someone's interesting for people I'm gonna meet, and like bring also something to them, or at least bring them this energy, give them this energy back. Yeah, hopefully I can give you this energy as well throughout this video, throughout this channel. That's what I'm hoping.